Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So guys, in this video I will tell you one video can change your English. Okay, uh, one video can make fluent your English. So you all are guys thinking that how can it possible? How can one video can make our English fluent? So I will tell you in this video how can it possible. Okay. So if you want to make your English fluent, then you decide one thing guys. You have to decide that what I will learn today means every day you have to decide this thing. So you have to decide what I will learn today. I will make video, I will record video. If you decide like this, then because of video you have to learn every day. You have to upload video, you have to make video for YouTube. I'm not telling you guys you have to upload video for growing on YouTube, for earning money for you on YouTube. I'm just saying for learning English. If you want to learn, you have to decide. Because of uploading video, because of recording video, you will learn. Okay, so that's why I'm saying. And suppose that we know grammar, and we have learned lots of words, but we are not able to speak because we have no any partner to speak. But you will do like this, you will record video, you will shoot video, then you can slowly you can improve your speaking. And you have to record video, you have to stand in front of mirror, and you have to speak in front of mirror. These all things will improve your video, your English. You have to try guys. Okay, first you try for a month, for 2 months, then you comment that you so guys, you do for 1 or 2 months. I'm saying now you do, then after that you come comment section and say to me what you want. So guys, I think it will be helpful what I'm doing if you will do. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.